Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we will learn how to make a single rose bouquet. And for that we will need these items: a rose, some gypsy flowers or baby breaths. You can skip the gypsy flowers if you don't have them by your side. Next is the crafted sheet, jute rope, a double-sided tape, a scissor. For the tag, I am using a sheet of vellum and a normal paper. The crafted sheet I am using here is of 7 by 6 inches. I have cutted the stem of the rose according to the length of the paper. Put the rose in the middle of the paper and fold the below edges towards the stem. And now try to shrink the middle part of the paper and hold it tight, and we have to tape it up with a double-sided tape. Now we will attach the jute rope. But before tying it, we have to make the tag. So for the tag, I am punching it first because I don't want my words to come in between the punch hole. For writing on the vellum sheet, I am using Tombow Bouquet brush pen. And here our mini rose bouquet is ready. So instead giving a single rose, you can try out this little bouquet with your personalized quote, name or any tag. If you like this video, then please do hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.